eye motion that we ask Miss Bulma to cook something for us.
We shut your Vegeta.
I got a strength deep in my soul that gives me courage and control.
Alright. Forking Zero, finally. Dude, I've been waiting way too long. I've been hearing such good things about this game. I'm so excited. This game's gonna be absolutely badass.
You got all kinds of cool stuff,
And Trunks is a fucking iPad kid. God damn.
All set.
Now let's
Ready
start
to
this.
roll? Let's take a peek, shall we, Lord Vince?
Sorry.
You should
we can jump right in. Alright, yeah,
Kakarot.
alright.
Think of the battles you'll have. Isn't your Saiyan blood boiling with excitement from the thought?
Shut up! If you think I'd ever join you, then you're dumber than you look.
Yeah, long hair man. I bet your pubes are long too. Rip your ass and rip your pubes off. Ugh. Here, man. Oh
I
shit.
can't help but wonder. That child behind you.
I may have skipped
Is
this
that
scenario.
your son?
Oh, fuck.
He's not!
Yes, that boy indeed has Saiyan blood.
God
It's
damn
no
it.
use trying to hide it from me. I could see his tail from here.
So what if he does?
You know, perhaps you need a little time to decide. I'll just borrow your son for a while so you can think over my offer.
Oh shit.
Take one step closer to Gohan and I'll knock you out! Back off!
Wait, this. Come here. Fuck you going, huh? Huh? Fuck you going. Wait, go. Oh, here.
Trembling feet.
Oh shit. Oh, trembling fear, huh? Yeah. I'm trying to bitch ass. Here. I'm trying to bitch ass. This? Another?
Weak.
Come here. Alright, I'm gonna fucking meteor shower you. Meteor smash! Oh, wait. Meteor smash!
Settling this right here and now!
I missed. I completely fucking missed. Oh, got in. Oh, yeah! I'm hearing that shit! Come here. Bitch ass, come here. Pubes!
If you want your little brat returned safely, Kakarot, prove your Saiyan spirit. Eliminate 100 Earthlings and pile them here before I return in one day. And let me be very clear about this. If I come back and I don't see 100 corpses, I killed the kid.
Shut up, Kakarot. My pubes are not that long. Stop saying rumors about that. Bye, bitch.
Go on!
The way I had to press A for every dialogue is hilarious because I can just see them do this. Is he doing the hell? There's no match with rabbits. Fuck, I have to read. Oh, this gives me fucking crab game vibes. Oh, okay, nobody's going. He is then treated to unexpected rumors. I am so sped. That's why it's
Piccolo?
Oh! Scary.
But what are you doing here?
Yeah, Green Man.
I was pursuing him. And as much as I'd like to kill the rich myself, the sad truth is I have a better shot at that.
He's rich.
If you were along for the ride.
Why do you want me on? Your dick.
Hold on. You mean team up with me? Why in the world would you ever do that?
Don't get the wrong idea. This would just be a temporary alliance, only for the sake of eradicating that alien off my planet. Once that purpose has been served, I'll keep my promise to crush you. Then I can get back to my plans of world domination.
Ooh, spooky! I'll beat your ass later. I'll start fisting you after this, alright? Should we help? Should we work with Piccolo? No, that's right. You know why we shouldn't work with Piccolo? Because he has no penis. I don't trust anyone without no penis. Go away, no Peter's man, having ass. Go away. I don't need you.
Whatever you say.
Bye.
Goku, watch yourself and keep calm. We all know you can do this.
I cannot do this. I cannot.
Let me come with you. The three of us together could whip that guy easy.
That's right, Krillin. Me and you against the world.
Sorry, Krillin, but you've already been brought back to life by Shenron once before. If anything were to happen to you now, you'd be gone for good.
Who cares?
Maybe so, but don't let yourself get killed, Goku, or we're all dead.
Master Roshi's right.
Oh, I
Let us
know
back
this.
you up if you need it. Krillin, Master Roshi, you're the
Wait,
best.
both of them are gonna help me? Oh, I thought it would just be me and Krillin.
We better head out. Bulma, got the Dragon Radar all working?
Ah. Why is she pulling that
You
on us?
bet.
Oh.
I should have realized that was the 4-star Dragon Ball on Gohan's hat.
You didn't realize that? It was a fucking 4-star Dragon Ball. Not hard not to notice that.
It's all or nothing now.
No, that's very dangerous. Like, it's right next to the
Goku,
water
wait!
area. If it just drops down, that thing sparks and we're done.
Bulma, let's follow them.
Yeah! Also, can I see your underwear?
Say what?
No way, what perfect timing. Let's go beat his ass.
Oh, Kakarot. I thought you'd at least be smarter than this. But you have no idea how out of your league you are.
And you have no idea how much I did not train for this. I have no idea what any of the combatants do. Let's do this.
Since you're going to be
Hello?
eradicated anyway,
Oh.
let me share
Oh,
a little
hey.
something with
Right.
you. The two Saiyans I mentioned earlier, they're even more powerful than me.
Piss string go!
You could train yourself for a lifetime and never even come close to their level. But since you were too stupid to heed my warning, you're not going to survive another day anyhow.
Shit. For that shit. Oh!
Considering how you managed to beat me last time, I want to see if you've gotten any
Piccolo,
tougher.
shut the fuck up! What's
So
the word?
don't you disappoint me. Got it, Goku?
No! Shit, shit. What happened? Where is
I
he?
do.
Ow, Peter Man! Look!
We're settling this
Let's
right
go!
here and
Let's go!
now.
Let's go!
Let
He
me
dodged
show
it.
you my
He dodged
full
it.
strength.
Oh, my course. The course he dodged it.
Too strong
No.
for me.
Oh, God.
Krillin!
Ah! Guys, we should have accepted Piccolo. We should have accepted Piccolo, guys. Guys, Piccolo, you didn't do jack shit.
Say goodbye, Kakarot.
Shit. Krillin.
What the? Power level 1,307?
Come on, do that, but.
Don't hurt my dad!
What emotion? How much emotion was that? Please tell me how to. Please tell me I get to play him. Please tell me I get to play him. Please tell me. Please tell me I can play him. Please tell me I can play him.
No, stop! Don't do it! Please, he's just a...
Just a child? Is that what you were going to say, Kakarot?
Yeah?
Don't worry, brother. You'll see your son again. In the next world. What? You little...
Piccolo!
Oh, you
You're
fucking me. There's no point then.
Are you insane?
Maybe, but it's the only way to beat you!
It doesn't suck that bad, isn't it?
Sorry to keep you
You're gonna suck
waiting.
that bad.
Are you ready?
Do it! No! Stop!
Special beam cannon!
Should have asked Piccolo earlier.
On this
That is what
planet,
happened if
we
I
have
asked
these
Piccolo.
things called the Dragon Balls. Gather all 7, and together they have the power to grant any wish, even if it's bringing someone dead back to life.
You can all go to hell.
Nah, I'm a little
Still,
fucking
I
hell.
thank you for the information. Everything that has happened here today has been transmitted to my two Saiyan comrades deep in outer space. When they've learned that I've been killed, they'll come to avenge me. The other two Saiyans! When will they arrive here? How long?
Yeah, how long, Hughes, man?
1 year.
Shit.
Just 1 short year.
Where's the
Damn.
souls? In tube, Piccolo.
2 of them? Even stronger than him?
How sweet does that victory taste now? They're going to wipe you all out. They'll soon have you writhing in agony like the worms you are.
In tube, Piccolo. In tube.
How's it feel, seeing your little friend's corpses scattered all over? There was another one, but there's probably not a scrap of him left.
Yeah, probably. But who cares? That's Shatsu. Who gives a fuck about Shatsu?
Piccolo's gone.
What, you gonna throw a fit, small fry? Go right ahead. That stupid look on your face just makes me want to kill you faster.
Well, probably does.
You'll pay for this! You'll both pay!
Ah!
You bastard!
Cleo 10, come on.
Out of my way!
Oh, ready?
What does the scouter say about his power level?
Oh, shit.
9,000! What? 9,000? That scouter's a piece of junk. It's gotta be a mistake. Doesn't matter. A little punk like you can't do anything against the mighty Nappa!
Buddy,
Come on.
fail me now!
Oh, yeah. No. Cleo 10! Come on. Come on.
This is insanity. How could anyone gain that much power in such a short amount of time?
All right, you're the greatest, Goku! Show that musclehead who's boss!
Get him, Dad!
Full flare! What the shit? Yes. Brains, motherfucker.
Vegeta, help me!
So let's have her go into the original timeline story. I have a recommend. I think he's not gonna help you. I have a feeling. Feeling he's not gonna help you. Feeling. Well, he probably won't kill you.
You're dead weight!
Bye-bye, Nebra.
Vegeta!
He's a psycho! He just killed his own partner for no reason!
Let's bet anyways. Who cares?
Both of you need to get back to Kame House where it's safe!
But, Dad,
No, he's right.
Hold on,
You
get
saw
over
what
here.
that other Saiyan can do. If we stick around, we'll only be getting in your dad's way.
That's
Sorry,
not the
Gohan.
pose that
This
Gohan
guy's
had.
stronger than I thought he'd be. We've lost enough.
Ah,
I can't lose you two either.
okay. I understand, Dad.
No, you don't. What the fuck you don't?
Okay, this spot should do. From what I can tell, there's no people or animals nearby.
Right.
Interesting. Of all the places on your planet, you chose this as your grave site. You should feel lucky. Not every low-class warrior gets the chance to spar with a super elite like myself.
Yeah, but no one challenged me because I never learned the controls. And I just beat your retarded friend.
Not
Your
long after
handicapped
Saiyans are
friend.
born, their skills as a soldier are tested.
Where? Oh. go cool.
The scum whose scores are ranked the lowest are sent to the outer worlds, where the opponents are weak. Much like you were, Kakarot.
Nuh-uh.
In other words, you were cast out like a dog.
Yes, and as a result, I was lucky enough to come here to Earth. I'm grateful for that. Besides, even a lower-class outcast can surpass an elite if he puts his mind to it.
Damn right, Goku. But once again, I haven't learned the controls, so we're par fucked. Just letting you know.
It's a nice attempt at a joke. Now let me show you a wall that you will never have the ability to scale through effort alone!
You know me? I'm Goku. I have plot armor. What? I'll get him in this.
Eat this! Body, fail me now!
Go, let's go! What? I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit. Yeah!
This is it! I've had enough embarrassment for one battle! Your insolence just cost you this world! What the? There's no way in hell that you can stop my Gallic gun! You and this whole planet are as good as space dust!
Yeah, I don't care.
Gallic!
Oh, shit. Where you go? 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 There he is. There he is. We're on flare! That is nothing. That is absolutely nothing. Flare Bird does nothing. What's the point of Solar Flare? I can't use it! Let's go. Victory. For Goku. What? Wait, another card? What was that? I killed him. What was that? Yeah! Counterattack, look at that. Damn right. Easy peasy. It's been a hard battle. Damn right. I've been hard this entire time.
You what?
That Goku's ass. Oh, hi, Joey. What you doing there? Give me a sense of being. Oh, goddamn it, Dr. Rubber, you fat piece of shit. You ate those sense of beans. And now we're fucked. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Burst open and mix!
Shit.
Huh? What was that? What are you planning?
Oh, that's a bright moon, man.
You really should have never gotten rid of your tail, Kakarot. But now you'll learn firsthand what a Saiyan is really capable of.
Yeah, he really shouldn't. And the tail is like his own uniqueness. It's like, it would have been cool if he had his tail on.
Did you feel that? There's a tremendous energy and it's swelling up even bigger.
Ah, who cares? Kill you by pipe. I recommend going the
I
fuck
don't think
away.
it's my dad's energy we're sensing, is it? Something's wrong.
Yeah, who cares? Leave him alone.
I'm going back there.
God damn it, go on.
Gohan, hold up! I'm going too! Wait!
Can't make good shit. Oh! My game!
Don't blink, Kakarot! These will be your final moments before I crush you!
Don't crush me. Big ass yours.
Am I losing my mind? He turned into a giant monkey!
Wait, does he never...
This is crazy!
Does
How
he
do
never-
I fight this
Is
thing?
this the first time he's actually figured out about this form? Was he ever told
Since
that?
when
Scout?
were we dealing with a 100-foot-tall monster?
I never knew that. Oh.
Only choice now is to gather energy from all over the earth and make a spirit bomb!
Or just beat his ass. I could just beat his ass. I'm gonna beat his ass. I'm not doing a spirit bomb.
Vaporize you!
No.
He didn't press a button yet. I haven't pressed a button yet, and his man's already destroying me.
After all this time, I get it. The monster that killed Grandpa.
Yeah,
And the one that destroyed the tournament arena. All of that was me? I owe this to you, Gramps. I need to beat this guy. No matter what. I'll have to use every ounce of my energy for the tiniest chance at victory. If I die, I'll see you in the next world. At least I'll get to apologize to you.
What? What? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't fail me now. Solar flare.
Solar
Flare! What? That didn't work? Fuck! No! Shit! Fuck! I suck at this game. Suck at this game. Yeah, I suck at this game. I am absolutely garbage at this game. Oh, wait, you talking back to a normal human? What a dumbass. He was winning. Earth is also defeated. The planet under the attack of Vegeta's control. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. So it's basically saying, you suck so bad, you're not even try. Monkey, can you give me a goddamn minute before so I can just think of everything? Swear to God, if I don't dodge this shit, we're restarting this game.
Leave?
Okay, we dodged that.
After all this time, I get it.
What? Are you fucking me? I'm pressing A, you little bitch ass motherfucker. Come right off. Are you fucking me? That's right, bitch. That's right, little motherfucker. Monkey! Oh, god damn it! I'm trying to do a class right now, you motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Fire! Turn!
Leave?
No! Yeah, I'll get him. Oh. Monkey. He's off! Press the button!
After all this time, I get it.
Come on! Come on! Spell that bullshit. Oh god! No. Dodge that shit. Oh yeah. Dodge that shit. Fire!
No.
Fuck. Of course. What? Oh my god!
After all this time, I get it. The monster that killed Grandpa. I need to beat this guy. No matter what.
What?
I'll have to use every ounce of my energy for the tiniest chance at victory.
Are you kidding me? My mystery!
If I die,
oh my
I'll
god.
see you in the next world. At least I'll get to apologize to you.
And I just charged right then. Little bitch ass. Are you fucking me? What? Guys, I'm so good at this game. I'm so good at this game. I was fiddling around. So I have a pro controller, okay? And I was taking it apart because I like to fiddle around with the joystick. You gotta take part. So I wasn't ready, and my joysticks are not in yet. And he's already ready to grab my butthole and start firing his big penis, his big purple penis. in my bow. It's so good. Fucking hate this monkey. God damn
This
it!
time, I get it.
Okay, bro,
the
bro.
monster that killed Grandpa.
My
and
God.
the one that destroyed the tournament arena. All
Stop
of that
blocking, you big monkey!
was
You already
me?
hit him the through
I owe this to you, Gramps. I need to beat this guy. No matter what. I'll have to use every ounce of my energy for the tiniest chance at victory.
He's just boosting himself.
If I die, I'll see you in the next
Oh my
one.
God. Oh my God.
At least I'll get to apologize
There's
to you.
a rock. There's a rock, guys. Guys, there's a rock. Can I just charge up for a bit? Let me charge up for a bit. Oh my God. Stop spamming the same goddamn move. God damn you. I never did any of that to you.
Body, don't fail me now.
Come on. So what's the point of that fucking attack if I don't use goddamn shit? Die, oh God! Oh my God! Stop spamming the same goddamn move. God damn. Come on! I never did any of that. Come on! No!
Vaporize you!
Something like that. It's fine.
All of that was me?
This is how I bust your ass, bitch!
I need to beat this guy. No matter what. I'll have to use every ounce of my energy for the tiniest chance at victory. If I die, I'll see you in the next world.
No. I don't want your monkey pick. Gaio!
Vaporize you!
No! Are you fucking me?
I'll break you!
Nothing's fucking working. Dude, fuck this monkey. I'll say it. I hate all monkeys. Keep letting it play once.
Was me? I owe this to you,
Oh,
Gramps.
that fucking move is
I
bullshit.
need to beat this guy. No matter what.
Oh my God. Leave me alone.
Vaporize you!
How? How am I only? It hasn't even been a minute. I haven't even got down to this green bar yet. It's fucking green bar.
Vaporize you!
Gaio! Good! He just did a headbutt. He just did a headbutt and fucking knocked me out. Bruh. Are you fucking me? Nah. I'm tired of seeing that Vegeta's face. I'm so tempted. I'm so fucking tempted. But I gotta beat him. I gotta beat him. I'm so tempted to quit. Oh! Ow! He's over behind me. He's already behind me, guys! Guys! He's already behind me. Bullshit!
After all this time, I get it. The monster.
Gaio, fuck fair chance!
That's it! I'll break you!
This fucking big purple penis! Ah, damn your big purple penis. Of course, because why not? Why not? Why not?
I get it. The monster that killed
Get the fuck away from me.
and the one that destroyed the tournament arena. All
Get the fuck away
all
from
of
me.
that was me? I owe this to you, Gramps. I need to beat this guy. No matter what. I'll have to use every ounce of my energy for the tiniest chance at victory. If I die, I'll see you in the next world. At least I'll get to apologize to you.
Okay. What? Oh my god, go. Oh my god. Stop, you're in another you motherfucker! Wait, he's low! Guys, you guys might do it. That's right. That's right. That's right! Are you monkey? I don't care, let's go!
So focused to use the spirit bomb. It'll only take about 10 seconds.
Oh shit.
Come on. Give me just 10 lousy seconds to
Bro,
concentrate.
that took like 5 episodes for you to do that shit. Nah. Oh yeah, I got to start with Goku. Let's fucking go. He's the hottest one too. So my game solo player. Okay. To buy time, Goku used the solo player bullshit, you know? Oh my god, that took way too long. Goku makes a run for it. Use the spirit bomb.
There. Okay, I think I put enough distance
That's
between
not enough
us.
to do it. He ran Hamster ass so many fucking times, even without them any distance. And as he tries to he gets the spirit bomb of all the child predators, all the cute guys, all the masturbators, and then use it on him. Kill him.
Coward! Where are you? Come out and face me!
Time's up! He found me! There, it's done! I've gathered energy from every corner of the world! Now!
Oh shit. Wow. Did you win, Goku?
This is the end of the line, Kakarot! Even if you do manage to come back to life, this miserable planet won't be around anymore! Die!
He's got bigger than me! Oh, good job, Goku. Let him rest.
Consider that a little farewell present. I don't have the strength to lift a finger, so just do what you're gonna do to me, all right?
Yeah, use your
Take
finger on me.
your best shot.
Damn you, Kakarot! How dare you leave a scar on my beautiful face!
Okay.
Just for that, I'm going to crush you like a grape!
I like grapes! I mean, I think you like grapes more because you're a monkey.
Why don't I kick it up a notch?
Ow! No!
What's that I hear? Every bone in your body breaking? Must hurt. Ha! I think your
What
friends
was
are
that?
here.
Oh,
How
okay, that's
quaint.
interesting.
Hey, Ugly! You put my dad down right now!
Nah. Vegeta, you don't listen to him. Am I gonna play him? Am I gonna play him? Oh no. Yajirobe! Let's go! No. I love you, Yajirobe. Give me your sensu beans. Blow your beans, Bean Daddy. Alright, you got the tail. Then there's his Krillin, about to do jack shit. Yep. Takes the energy from Goku. Yep, I already knew this. And then use this
This is
Q
it.
bomb.
This must be
Use the cum bomb. The cum bomb on him.
the spirit bomb.
That's called the cum bomb, actually. Yeah.
What the heck are you doing just standing there? You gonna throw the dang thing or what?
That's what I'm saying.
No choice now. Take this!
Krillin, you're a piece of shit. You suck at everything.
Bounce it back, Gohan! I promise! It won't hurt you!
I think. I don't know. I haven't tried it before. Oh, yeah. No, I didn't. Maybe we're telling the truth. That's right. Vegeta, take all my cum. Yeah! Cum ball. The cum. Okay. Another monkey. Monkey versus another monkey. Monkey. Yep, and we didn't kill him because of bullshit reasons, you know. Yeah, because he was sorry, I guess. And then we go into Namek to start slavery with the green people.